Hello, everyone, and welcome back to BEM. Today, we just watched a practical, intermediate level business conversation focusing on a crucial skill in the corporate world: wholesale price negotiation. In this scenario, we saw how a buyer and a supplier navigate budget constraints to reach a win win agreement.
Thank you for showing me your latest collection. The quality of the leather and the craftsmanship are exactly what we are looking for.
Thank you. We take great pride in our products. We only use premium materials and high-performance soles.
Great. I'm interested in placing an initial order for 200 pairs of shoes. However, the current unit price is a bit higher than our budget.
I understand, but for 200 pairs, we are already offering our standard wholesale discount. Our margins are quite tight.
If we increase our order volume to 500 pairs and sign a long-term contract, can you offer a more competitive price per unit?
If you commit to 500 pairs, we can lower the price by 10% per unit. Would that work for you?
That sounds reasonable. Can we also include free shipping for this first batch?
If we do a 10% discount, we can't cover shipping, but I can guarantee immediate delivery so you can launch your season on time.
Fair enough. Let's prepare the contract with those terms.
To help you upgrade your business English, let's break down 4 key expressions from this video that you can start using in your professional life right away. 1. Placing an order. This simply means submitting an official request to buy goods. For example, we are interested in placing an initial order for 200 pairs. 2. Unit price. This refers to the cost of a single item or a single pair of shoes rather than the total cost of the bulk order. 3. Order volume. This means the total quantity or number of products you are buying. Higher order volume usually gives you more leverage to ask for discounts. 4. Competitive price. This is a fair, attractive price that is lower or better than what other companies in the market are offering. Mastering these terms will make you sound incredibly confident and professional in any international trade or business meeting. Don't forget to practice these sentences and let me know in the comments. How do you usually negotiate prices in your industry? Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more executive business tips. See you in the next video.